Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take D3 vitamins step by step. Begin by confirming your current blood level and consult a healthcare provider to set a safe dose. Pick a consistent time daily, preferably with breakfast or dinner that includes healthy fats. Use the labeled dose, avoid doubling up, and track progress with periodic testing. Store supplements away from heat and moisture in their original container. Deciding on a dose starts with your blood test and history. Use those results to guide your plan. Many adults take 1,000 to 4,000 IU daily, but your provider may suggest a different amount. If prescribed higher doses for deficiency, follow monitoring instructions closely and check levels as recommended. Never self-prescribe very high doses, and report any unusual symptoms. Timing affects how well D3 works, so pair it with a meal that includes fats like avocado or olive oil for better absorption. Stick to a regular time each day to help consistency and stable levels. Some clinicians recommend magnesium or vitamin K2 alongside D3, but add those only after professional advice. Keep a simple tracker or set a phone reminder to make daily dosing a reliable habit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.